What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian, and if you're familiar with this channel, you know that my parents have been living with me, and so I don't have kind of the normal space in my house that I usually do to make these videos, but we're gonna make it anyway because a very special shoe showed up today. This is the Undefeated Jordan 4. I've got kind of limited space, no lighting, but we're gonna get you an up-close look in 4K and check these out for myself. Don't know anything about them, haven't been able to keep up kind of with the sneaker game, but we're gonna get up close and personal with these hopefully pretty quickly, and I'll tell you what I think and get you some real nice shots. So let's get into it. All right, so first thing is we've got a silver box. It says 05 to 25. It's because it is a re-release of a friends and family pair. I actually don't know the difference between this pair and the original friends and family pair, but let's open it up and have a look. We've got an Undefeated postcard right here. I've been to this store many times. I don't think it looks quite like this anymore. It says La Brea since 2002. That is out of Los Angeles, California. And then we've got the back side. So this is basically a postcard. Very nice touch. I dig it. Probably will never use it. Probably will always keep it with the shoe. But very cool that they've included that. Paper is very nice as well. It has the Undefeated logo and the Jumpman. Let's get into the shoe itself. They are individually wrapped in here. Hang tag. Honestly, pretty cheap hang tag, and even more interesting that it's just a little piece of plastic for the clip, not even a metal dog tag. Still kind of cool. It's translucent so you can see through it. Kind of neat. The shoe itself, I honestly wasn't sure about this colorway, but seeing it in hand, it's a really, really nice color. It's very earthy. It'll go well with a lot of the G-Star Raw pants that I've personally got that I wear on a regular basis. So to me, this is a very wearable, everyday, earthy toned shoe. I love the contrast with the black in the front and the sail midsole. Overall, this is just a very, very well done, kind of reserved, muted colorway, but you've got the hits of orange, which is really sweet. On the back side here, it does say Undefeated. And on the front, we've got the Jumpman in orange. It says Flight underneath. I don't know about this. This is probably my least favorite thing about this shoe is this Velcro patch. It says Jordan Rare Air underneath. The Jordan Rare Air is kind of cool, but the patch itself is really kind of gimmicky, silly to me. I don't know if this was an original feature of the pair from 20 years ago. I doubt it, but I don't like it. It adds bulk. It's kind of clunky. I would have preferred it if it was just a regular tag right on the tongue. I don't need the Velcro. I don't need to see that underneath. But overall, I like this shoe a lot. I like this colorway a lot. On the bottom, we've got really bright orange. As you can see, it matches my dream car, which is sitting behind me. So this is a shoe that I'm assuming, I'm hoping, there's some extra laces in this box. And I'm getting concerned that I don't see any. Wow. They gotta be in this shoe. They gotta be in this shoe. I'm gonna set this down and we're gonna make sure that they're in the shoe. solid. So the extra laces are in the other shoe. They are bright orange, and that is perfect. That is exactly what I would want. I would rock these laces on this shoe all day long, get that pop of color, match my car. Let's check out the other side. I've heard that there have been some quality control issues with these. Let's see if I've got anything noteworthy to worry about. Ooh, bit different than I would have guessed, but on this pair right here, you can see right there, definitely got a little bit of kind of glue coming out over the top of that sail midsole. Not ideal. I can't even tell if that's glue or tape. It honestly kind of looks like masking tape or masked off paint. It looks like extra paint that wasn't masked off quite so well. So that is definitely a blemish. It's not a deal breaker type of blemish. It's not a major issue. And overall, this pair collectively, I think, does look pretty clean. So I am a big fan of these, definitely much more so in hand than I thought. I like the colorway a lot. I think it is very usable in everyday wear. But I'm on the fence about these primarily because of the Velcro patch on the tongue. The insoles on this side, it is an Undefeated logo against an orange backdrop. On the other side, it is a Nike Air logo, and I don't know. I just don't know. Part of me wants to rock these on feet and not worry about it, but practically speaking, the issue that I've got right now is I've got this pair in hand early. I've got way too many sneakers in storage that I'm not using, and this pair I could resell for about $470 on StockX when I paid $230. And I honestly believe that as more of these get into the hands of retail consumers and they do the official release on August 28th, that the resell on these pairs will go down, probably into the 300s, I would guess, at least for a bit. I'm sure they'll go up in time, but basically it's a question of, do I love these enough to kind of eat the opportunity cost of reselling them and making $100 or $200, clearing out some space? I'll tell you, as I'm flipping this pair around in hand, they're nice. They're really nice. I love the colorway. I'm torn on the Velcro. What do you guys think? Let me know. But I'm leaning towards keeping them, rocking them on feet, and just not overthinking it, because I do believe this is going to be a pair that ages extremely well and that I get a lot of utility out of. Anyway, let me know what you think. This is short and sweet, really quick. Again, don't have as much time as I used to for these. Hopefully that'll change once I get my parents situated in their new home. But I'd love to hear from you. I miss you guys. Let me know in the comments, keep or sell. That's all I've got for this one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one soon.